Hey everyone, I am back for look number 2 from the Winter Wonderland palette from Cosmic Brushes or Cosmic Beauty. So I just did the tutorial on TikTok. If you want to check that out, I will link it below in the description box. And this is the second row. So I taped the wrapping paper to just cover up the other rows where I just focus on this row here. So for the lid, of course, using Atmosphere, that duochrome, and Snowfall, I'm using Under the Brow. Icicle, I used as like transition. Breathe is under the lash line, and then Cold, I have, oops, that's on the outer corner and in the crease. So this is what I came up with. I'm using glitter on the lower lash line to do some glitter tears. And this is a glitter from Violet Voss in the color Megan. For blush, I am using, I forgot the name of this makeup. I forgot the name of the company, darn it. But it's online. I'm going to try to find it and I'll link it below. But I use this color for blush. And it is in Grape. Color Grape. I'm going to look up that name and I'll try to link it below. For highlight, I'm using a highlighter from MAC. It's from the Black Panther line, and it's in the color Royal Vibrancy. And for lips, I just threw it across the room. It's from NYX. And it is the NYX Lingerie or Lingerie XXL. And this is the color. See, I have these contacts in and I can barely see in them, so that's why I'm like struggling. What was the name of these? Oh, it's called Strip Off, I believe, something like that. That's this color. And that's pretty much all I used. I think that I am either trying out or doing the look, but the only thing new really is the lipstick and the eyeshadow. Everything else I pretty much had, but this is the look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.